Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is a super exciting one for me. I created two looks for you guys. So I created a natural look and then a full-on heavy glam, which is this look I'm wearing right now. And I created both looks using only one palette. The palette that I use in today's video is of course from Deck of Scarlet. They literally have everything you need to create any look inside the palette. But this is not just any other palette. It is one that I myself created with them, and I'm super excited for you guys to see the colors. And real quick, I just want to thank you guys for making this possible for me. Without you guys, I literally will be like, I don't even know what I would be doing right now. But thank you so much to all of you that have supported me from the beginning. And for those of you who are new to my channel and are supporting me watching this video right now, thank you so much, literally from the bottom of my heart. To create my own palette is like literally like mind-blowing. Like I've always wanted to do that. I have done videos using Deck of Scarlet palettes before, but for those of you guys who are new to my channel, I have no idea who Deck of Scarlet is. They are a monthly subscription service. So every 2 months they come out with a new palette, and if you're a new subscriber, you get to choose the first palette that you receive. So if you are a new subscriber out there, please choose my palette. Thank you very much. And if you reach a point where you have like enough colors, enough palettes, which I doubt, because for me literally I can never have enough, you can always cancel anytime. And you can also skip a palette if you're like, hey girl, these colors are not cute, I'm not feeling them. You can skip a palette and say I'll see you in 2 months. So not only did I get to create this palette with Deck of Scarlet, but I'm also named their artist-in-chief. Yay! And you guys don't understand how excited I am because I get to show you guys how to use the palette. Thank you to Deck of Scarlet for naming me their artist-in-chief. I'm super excited and I hope I do not disappoint you. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how the palette comes. I'm just basically gonna unbox it for you guys. Before I get to unbox the product, I just want to address the elephant in the room. Yes, my nail broke. It broke during a spin class. So actually like half of my real nail came off. So I'm letting it heal before I can fix it. So please don't come for me in the comments. I know I'm missing a nail and I know the deal. So this is the box that it comes in. Super cute matte black box. So the first thing you see when you open it is the postcard. It says meet Melly Sanchez. And then it has like a little bit of a backstory on me. For those of you out there who, obviously, I'm sure there's a lot of people who have no idea who I am. And then it's the message that I just wanted everyone who got my palette to read, because I'm so grateful and so thankful for all of you guys out there who have supported me. So now let's get to the real deal, okay? So once we remove this foam, here's the palette. So this is how the palette comes, and let's just take a moment to admire this beautiful artwork on this palette. I'm like obsessed. So here it is, guys. This is my palette. I really hope you guys fall in love with these colors as much as I did. Like I'm so obsessed with this palette. And I'm also gonna do a swatch for you guys, and then we'll get right into the tutorials. So like in every other Deck of Scarlet palette, you're gonna be receiving 3 eyeshadow colors, 2 cheek colors, and 2 lip colors, as well as this dual lip liner and lip crayon. I'm gonna show you the color and the swatches in a little bit, but first I'm gonna start with the palette, and I'm just gonna first start to swatch for you guys the eyeshadows first. So I'm just gonna dip my finger right into the first eyeshadow, which is Diamond Dust. And this eyeshadow is just a shimmery metallic opaque silver eyeshadow, but I'm obsessed with this color. It is literally one of my favorite ever silver eyeshadows that I've tried, and I'm just obsessed. I am obsessed. This literally is just like the perfect shimmery silver eyeshadow for those days when you want to go a little bit more bolder, or you can even use that on your inner corner alone for an everyday look. The next eyeshadow color is Sagittarius. And this is just a reddish plum brown eyeshadow, and it has a matte finish. So when I was thinking of the colors I wanted in my palette, I knew I had to have a burgundy color, and it had to be matte because I just wanted that one color that I know for a fact I'm gonna use in every single look. And that this is just one of those colors. It can be a transition color. It can be the focus of your makeup with like a super like smoked out burgundy color. So I'm just in love with this color, and I feel like it is one of your must-haves color for fall. The third eyeshadow color is New York, and this is a shimmery black eyeshadow, and this color is literally perfect for any look, especially a smoky eye. So for fall, I love a smoky eye, but I didn't want just a regular matte eyeshadow. I wanted something that screamed like glam. So I was like, you know what? Let's add some shimmer to this black eyeshadow, and this is how New York got created. The reason why I named it New York is because, well, one, obviously I'm from New York and I've lived here almost my entire life, and I just love, I feel like the color matches the vibe in New York. I don't know if that makes any sense to some people. So let's move on to cheek colors. And the next shade I'm gonna swatch for you guys is Pinot Grigio. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I love highlight. I can literally drown in highlight. So of course it was a no-brainer that I had to include a highlight shade in this palette. And it literally gives you like the most gorgeous glow. Whether you want something very natural or like heavy on dramatic beaming glow, you can get it with this highlight. I named it Pinot Grigio because I love wine, and obviously I love Pinot Grigio. The next cheek shade is a blush, and this is called Adorable. This is a rustic brick shade that literally blends so easily and is so pigmented. It gives you like the most natural rosy cheek color, which I love. So now we're moving on to lips. The first color I'm gonna be showing you guys is Sasha. And I just wanted a nude that wasn't just a nude, that it was gonna give us some color. I just wanted something super creamy, super blendable, moisturizing, and this is exactly what this color is. And I named it Sasha because Sasha is literally my best friend ever. Like, I've been friends with her for almost 8 years, and she's literally one of the reasons why I even started to film and do makeup. She actually even helped like pay for my camera back then, so I needed to name a shade after her. She's literally obsessed with this nude color, like loves it. So the next lip color I'm gonna be swatching for you guys is Maria, and this is a Madder Plum shade. This one is a little bit more lightweight than Sasha, but it's still very pigmented. I'm obsessed with the texture of the Maria lip color because it literally just glides on like butter. And it's one of those colors that I could never find in like a gloss or something like that. It was always like a matte lipstick, and they're always so drying. When I found this consistency, I knew I had to have that specific color because I was like, I could never find this color without it being matte. I named it Maria because Maria is my mom's name, and obviously I love my mom. She's one of the most hardworking people that I know. She showed me that I can make anything in this world possible, and that no matter what obstacles that come in your way, you can literally just push through them and get to where you need to be if you just stay focused and you work for it. And I love her so much. Next we have this dual lip pencil and lip crayon. First I'm gonna start with the lip pencil. So this color is a tannish nude, and I'm obsessed with this color. I feel like it will look good with any lip and on any skin tone. So this is the lip crayon, and this is in the shade Playa. And I just love the creaminess and the silkiness feel to this color. So that is everything that comes in the palette. I really hope you guys love these colors as much as I do. But now let's just jump right into the tutorials. So for the first look, I'm gonna try to keep it more natural, and then I'm gonna go in on the second look. The first shade I'm gonna be going into is the shade Adorable. So I'm just gonna take that on a pretty large blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend that from my outer V all the way onto the inner corner, but keeping it on the crease. And just look at how easy and soft this color is to blend. Now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to go into the shade Sagittarius. So right now I'm just taking that on the outer V and into the crease, but I'm going to keep it a little bit more defined. And we really want to keep the intensity on the outer V. To highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to be going into the shade Pinot Grigio, and I'm just taking that on a pencil brush. Oh my god, yes to this highlight. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm first going to be going into the shade Adorable, and then I'm going to be going into the shade Sagittarius. Now I'm just going to go in with the shade Sagittarius just to darken that up even more. So now that that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara and some lashes. You can stop at mascara, it's up to you really, but I always love a little bit of extra oomph to my lashes. So I'm just going to add some falsies and I'll be right back. For blush, I'm going to be using the shade Adorable. My God, I love this blush. To highlight my face, I'm going to be going back into the shade Pinot Grigio. And I'm going in on the highlight today because that's just how I'm feeling. Yes, highlight come through. Just look at that. So that is it for the highlight. I'm literally glowing from every angle and I'm loving it. So next it's time for lips. To line my lips, I'm going to be using the lip liner, which is in the shade Tease, and it's this side right here. This lip liner is life. For lipstick, I'm going to be going into the shade Sasha. Oh my God. This nude though, guys. Alright guys, so that completes the natural look. I really hope you guys like it. I'm obsessed with how this look came out and how the colors blend. This is going to be my everyday makeup look. I just love how natural, how simple, how quick it is to do. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about this look. But now it's time to glam it up and do some full-on glam. The first color I'm going to be going into is the shade Adorable. And I'm just going to apply that to the crease and to the outer V very lightly. Next, I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm going to go into the shade New York. This color, I'm going to be applying it to the outer V and blending it inwards a little bit, but I'm not going to take it all the way into the inner corner. This is just going to stay mostly on the outer V. Now I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on a flat brush and I'm going to apply it to the lid just because I want that part to really pop. And I'm just tapping that on. Now taking a flat brush, I'm just going to go into the shade Diamond Dust. Oh my God. Look at that pigment. Yes, Diamond Dust come through. Now I'm just going to take that blending brush that we took the shade New York with and I'm just going to go to the edges and just blend that out without adding any more product. To highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to be going into the shade Pinot Grigio. And I'm just going to add that very lightly to the brow bone because there's so much going on in the eyes. I want to keep this highlight a little bit more toned down. To smoke out that lower lash line, I'm going to be going back into the shade New York. And I'm just going to pat that on because I really want that lower lash line to be super defined. So now that that is super smoked out, I'm just going to go ahead and add some eyeliner, a little bit of mascara, and some falsies, and I'll be right back. So this is the eye look after a little bit of eyeliner, some mascara, and some lashes. Now it's time to move on to the rest of the face. For blush, I'm once again going to go into the shade Adorable. To highlight my face, I'm going to be going into the shade Pinot Grigio. Now I'm going to be going back with the lip liner Tease, which is this side right here. So for this look, I want the lips to be just as bold as the eyes were, just because we're going full glam, honey. So now I'm going to go into the shade Maria. Oh my God, I love this color. This goes on so smooth, guys. You really don't even need a lip liner for this, but I'm just obsessed with that lip liner, so I must use it every time. You can go ahead and stop here. However, I want to go literally all out. So I'm gonna go ahead and darken up this lip just a little bit. And to darken that up, I'm just gonna be going back in with the dual-sided lipstick and lip liner. But this time I'm gonna go in with the shade Playa, which is the lipstick crayon. So this is just really gonna add like a little bit of darkness, but nothing too crazy. And that completes the full-on glam look. I literally feel like you can wear this like on a date night, a major event, or something fun. Like, it's just a fun look. And you can even switch up the lip and do the first lip combo that I did for my natural look, or you can swap this lip and put it with the natural look, whatever you guys think. And I just feel like if you want to go all out, honey, why not? Like, do you? Pair a bold eye with a bold lip. Who cares? There are no rules in makeup. I hope you guys like this look as much as I did. I really hope you guys love the palette as much as I do. I'm literally like obsessed. It was my baby. I was working on that for so long, and I finally get to share it with you guys. I do hope that I came through for you guys and I brought some cool colors that you guys can incorporate into your fall glam or even all year round glam. Please comment below and let me know which look was your favorite, whether the natural look or this full-on glam. If you're into bold colors and love to play with makeup, don't forget to click that link in my description box and use code MELLY15 for 15% off of this palette. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And again, I just want to thank you guys so much for making this opportunity possible for me. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video.